God damn.
Oh my god.
Bro, can I even see that with that camera, bro?
What the hell you trying to say?
Oh man, you know, I've been at the game. I'm used to pulling out the Big Daddy, so when I see the little vlog camera, I don't know, man.
This shoots in 1080p, 60 frames per second.
You know, I haven't been behind the camera in a minute.
You haven't?
Fuck all that, bro. I'm hurt, but something just came in the mail, and I feel a little bit better. So, you know, I keep this on me at all times just in case.
Wait. Peep my Goku, nigga. Yay!
Why you wearing Supreme, bro? Why you can't be wearing some Williams Sonoma? You a hype beast.
What the
hype beast ass nigga?
What is William Sonoma?
You know that shit they selling like clothes or whatever?
No.
Bro, I open this. Oh. Alright. Let's see what the fuck we got.
This nigga brought out a box cutter.
Keep it on me at all times just cause you know. Ooh wee! Shit. What we got in here, bro?
I don't know, but all I know is the nigga who claimed he ain't ever copped shoes, nigga be copping shoes. That man just cracked the fuck out his knuckles.
Y'all ready for this shit? Let's see what we got here, man.
Bet.
I'll open this shit upside down. Hold on.
Oh shit.
Hold on.
Alright, hold on. Hold the fuck up. Hold up, bro.
Hold up.
I know you ain't just do what I thought you did.
Oh.
Hold the fuck up. Nigga,
Oh.
what the fuck?
Let's see what we got here.
Oh!
Oh.
Nigga. Nigga.
Oh, wait.
Nigga.
How you turn these hoes on?
Bro.
You gotta read the manual, you know. When you buy a shoe, you gotta read the manual on these hoes, you know.
You bought adapts?
What?
How much of them shits run you?
I don't want to think about it.
Don't lie to me, nigga.
I don't even want to say it, man. You go on Nike up and look, it's still there.
Oh my god, hold on. Let me get a close up on these hoes.
I was gonna say, you might have to pull out the Big Daddy, dog.
Damn.
Don't even trip. We're gonna get a review on these bitches.
Damn.
When I figure out how to work
The fuck? I didn't know you was pulling.
Oh, man. Ooh, wee.
That nigga.
What's in the box? What's in the box? Or should we say that for the unboxing? Well, this is the unboxing. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. I'm just...
Bro, hold up. Man, it's just... I got permission to touch these, bro.
Bro, it's all you.
Homie pulled
got
out...
the charger for the kicks.
Man's
Your
pulled...
shoes got a charger?
My shoes ain't got a charger.
Bro, I'm out here flexing.
This nigga living in 2030. I'm in 2020.
Yo, these...
This nigga pulled out
This
the
what they
hyper
hooping in nowadays?
adapts. Would you hoop in these?
Right. I'm not hooping at all.
I'm not hooping at all.
I got D Rose Achilles and shit.
Hold up. Go ahead. Hold one. Yeah, hold one for me. Cause we gotta get a goddamn. I need you to describe what you looking at here, bro.
The future, bro. Like, this borderline. Yo, these shoes tie themselves, bro. You gotta download an app just to fuck with these shits. What happen if your phone die, bro? You just stuck the bitches on all day?
Them shit's gonna be loose as hell. Foot flopping out them hoes.
Nah. I gotta figure out what the hell to do with these shits.
That's crazy.
These shits got a QR code in them. I just wanted to see what the hype was on these shits.
Is that the main reason why you copped them?
Yeah, I want to look at them because I don't know, motherfucker. I want to keep these shits, bro.
So was it going to be alright, I'm a cop just to see what happens, but if I don't like, I gotta move.
This was let me test my luck on the sneakers app, because lately my luck on that shit has been straight love. Every shoe that I went for got. I'm like, I'm gonna see if I can get these shits. But then again, it's a pricey shoe, so it wasn't like a high demand, because logically, even me, I would never pay this much for a shoe again. I just wanted to see what the hype was about, because I've heard people talking about the first gen that came out. This is the second gen. I'm going to ask you right now.
Yeah.
Is a review coming out on these?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
Less.
Oh yeah, for sure. I got Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, I'm about to. Oh yeah, but you gotta do the on foot though.
I gotta put these on my feet.
Yeah, you do. Matter of fact, you know what?
If I put these on my feet, these shits might fucking cyborg my shit. Take my foot off, bro.
Hey, I mean, it's up to you, bro. If you want to do the review, you can do. I mean, if you want to do the on foot, you can do the on
It
foot.
look like somebody already wore these bitches.
What you mean?
What's that, bro? Hold on. What's that, guy? Nigga Nike at factory's like, I gotta try these shits on real quick. Oh, damn.
The niggas.
Damn, I just looked down at my foot again, bro.
Hey, explain that shit, bro.
I just looked.
First of all, get your ass over here, bro. God damn.
Well, these some funky ass lights, bro. Make me want to get jiggy and shit. Anyway.
How you not know what happened? Tell me what happened, bro.
I literally put the shoe on, and I looked down. The fucking strip was right here on the floor. I was like, how the hell did that happen?
That reminds you of the Columbia 15s?
Nah, nothing tops that. You ever had a fat girl step on your shoe and the whole bottom fall off?
Nope.
You haven't felt that pain. Having to walk around campus with your shit talking, flapping, you feeling that shit hit the back of your heel? There's a whole charging pad. Alright, damn. Look at this manual that comes for a fucking shoe.
That shoe come with a damn manual. You had to spend over 300, nigga.
I shed a few thug tears in the office at work.
That nigga said he shed a few thug tears,
hurt,
nigga. I would have too. They came with a whole charging board, iPad charging
That
board.
joint look like the Wii Fit board, bro. You be balancing on that.
It really do. This man Jay picked up the Nike Air Hyper Adapt. I don't know where you picked. I don't know what you just did. But I didn't expect this nigga to have a Hyper Adapt in his collection. These shits tighten, bro. Do you know that? If you press these buttons right here, they loosen and tighten.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm being delicate with these shits because, you know what I'm saying?
I don't even know how to turn them on. We ain't even turned them on.
You probably gotta charge them, bro. Or it's something, what you trying to do? Like, I'm confused. I don't know what's going on here. You kind of you just came up on me randomly. Yeah, check this out. I was in the middle of my push-ups. I was working out, you feel me? Check the biceps, bro.
This man ain't here.
Yeah, hit my shits. And this nigga got some Hyper Adapts.
With some torn fucking metallics.
You just gotta charge it to the game, bro. My Royals is big. You wanna see my Royals? Hold this, bro.
Bro, but them shit's cooked.
I'm gonna show you my Royals, bro.
I know them joints cooked. I'm upside down. Oh shit, I'm upside. Okay, wait, fuck going on?
You wanna know what happened?
You threw this shit.
Yeah, I dropped. I didn't throw it, but I dropped it.
You be throwing shit.
Check this out, bro. Come here. Check this out. Check out my Royals. But here's the thing though, they still look fire like that.
These joints are history.
But they still look clean like that. What shit can somebody talk?
And you know what the sad part is? Somewhere it's a nigga on Go app with these right now. I want 450.
But here's the thing though. Put the camera on me. No matter what, you still can't talk no shit. Cause these is Royals, nigga. It don't matter if this shit's starting to talk a little bit over here.
They talking?
Just a little bit. But it doesn't matter. You know why? Cause these is my Royals. You know me, you know what I'm saying? Wear your sneakers, beat your sneakers. This is what you're supposed to do. I got black hats. I got black hat 4s. Guess what, nigga? I wore these in the rain yesterday, nigga. I wore them in the rain. But you know what? We wear our shoes, so the sneaker gods bless me, and they still clean.
You bold. I'm gonna get me a pair of Royals one of these days.
You have a pair of Royals, nigga.
I can't wear those.
Bro, shit. This man has a pair of Royals and he ain't wearing them yet.
I got a pair of Vans, ain't touched them either.
This man has a pair of bread ones and ain't touched them bitches yet.
I ain't touched the breads. I haven't touched the shattered. I don't know, bro. I got shoes I keep. I got shoes that just sit.
You just gotta beat them up, bro. You gotta wear them. Beat them up.
Look like your mama ran over these in the driveway.
I mean, it does, but think about this.
How does this even happen? Did you?
Them shit says crease like fuck.
How did you do this? Like, how is this possible?
I just wore them, bro. I went hiking in them too. I for sure went hiking in those ones. Yep. But listen, bro. I did a lot of things. I got some booty in those.
So flat on the bottom. You out here hiking in these. I know your feet were hurting.
Listen.
Ain't no way in hell.
The hiking trail that we go down is mountainous. That shit has mountains on it. So that was definitely dangerous. Them scratches at the toe cap, definitely from that experience. Definitely from that experience, bro. Whatever that man did to get these, hopefully he gives me the keys. I guess be on the lookout for a video. Be on the lookout for a review, dog. Listen, he just came out the cut with this. I was not expecting this at all, bro. Hey, you got any last words, bro?
Leave a RIP for the homies.
Nigga, you got.
How do I say goodbye?
Hey. Niggas is dying. Mama's crying.
Sitting
on my knees, waiting for the Lord to please me. First of all, but you gotta drop the old version, then drop the updated version.
Nah, I'm dropping the old, and that's final. That's the one that's gonna get on that radio. I'm putting that record. I'm sending that to Funk Flex tomorrow.
I'm gonna be 1,000, bruh. You have a.
Shut up my fucking radio.
I'm
Trash, nigga.
gonna be 100 though, cause you can say something that a lot of people can't say. You actually have a classic. Nigga, you really got a classic, bro.
From 2011.
Nigga, how old was you, bro?
I'd be about 14, 13.
You got a classic, bro. I don't know why you're not dropping that. But, hey, be on the lookout for the Hyper Adapt video.
This shit's heavy.
Facts.
Nah, that's the pad. That's why.
That shit is coming real soon. Instagram, ImChrisBriggs. ImChrisBriggs too. I guess.
Y'all ain't seen me in a minute. Y'all probably wonder where the channel at. Y'all ain't never care about the channel. This shit is clean, bro, but on the real, I'm moving these shits. Fuck that.
I know you sick, bro.
Oh,
What the
What? Oh,
Is it singing a song?
hold up, man. Hold up.
Hold up. Put your foot in
Bro,
it.
these too damn high tech for me.
Nigga, you could have just dropped that shit and that shit could have just broke just now.
That shit getting exploded.
Wow, bro. Put your foot in it, nigga.
Bro, this shit chop off my foot, bro.
Tell me how that shit is, bro.
Oh, we might as well go ahead and get them on foot.
I mean, shit.
For the review.
You might as well.
I got the right shoes on. I mean, pants on for this shit. Oh, my ankle socks.
Oh my god. This nigga acting like you about to walk through a fashion show, nigga. Put this shit on your feet.
Let me loosen the holes up. I'm gonna do this again for B-roll.
Them shits is tightening.
Alright. Damn, this shit feel like I'm wearing some damn stilettos. Shit, I feel tall as hell.
Bro. I can't even cap with you, bro. As cool as the lacing system is,
It's not worth it.
these shits is ugly. I can't even cap. But this lacing system is hard. But you do look like a goddamn,
It's not worth
you
it.
like you just dropped your kids off at motherfucking basketball practice.
You be standing in the corner like this in full technique jumpsuit.
Hell yeah.
Oh!
You just did that, it just did that shit by itself?
Yes.
Them shit's already malfunctioning, bruh.